Welcome to this explainer. Right now, the whole world is absolutely captivated by these flashy AI demos. You type a prompt, and boom, you get a magical poem or a hyper-realistic image. But if we look just beneath that surface, there's actually a massive hidden infrastructure quietly emerging, and it's being built to support something much bigger: persistent, autonomous AI workers. We're literally witnessing the birth of an entirely new infrastructure layer, one designed specifically to support autonomous machine labor at a true enterprise scale. Okay, so here's our blueprint for today. We're going to cover 5 key areas: beyond the chatbot myth, persistent memory and statefulness, orchestrating a digital civilization, resilience and observability, and finally, the AI native enterprise. Let's dive right in. Section 1. Beyond the chatbot myth and the paradigm shift we're seeing. We really have to start by shattering the absolute biggest misconception out there right now. Most people still kind of think AI workers are just chatbots with tool access. But standard chatbots, they're completely reactive. You ask a question, they answer, and then they just sit there, waiting for you to say something else in this isolated little session. Persistent AI workers, on the other hand, are totally different. They continuously monitor their environments, they manage complex workflows, and they execute tasks dynamically over really long time horizons. It's just a completely different operational mindset. So the crucial takeaway here is that we are looking at a totally different architectural category. This stuff is designed for continuous machine labor, not just a flashy user interface. I mean, think of it less like a calculator waiting for you to punch in some numbers and more like a junior project manager, one that's actively participating in enterprise execution, planning out tasks, coordinating different tools, and communicating with other software systems in real time. Moving on to Section 2. Persistent memory and statefulness, the foundation of context. Think about us, human workers. We rely completely on our memory, right? We remember past projects, nuances in customer relationships, or operational history. Now, imagine a finance employee who just completely forgets prior transactions, compliance history, or literally what they were doing 5 minutes ago every single time you speak to them. Well, that's a traditional large language model. They're mostly stateless. The second a session ends, poof, the memory disappears. And an AI without memory, that's actually operationally dangerous in a real enterprise setting because autonomous workers simply cannot operate effectively without continuity. So to solve this major bottleneck, enterprises are building what we call persistent memory systems. What this means in practice is creating things like episodic workflow memory. Basically, this ensures the AI remembers exactly what step of a multi-day process it's currently in. They're also building organizational knowledge graphs, which kind of act like a giant digital brain mapping out all the complex company relationships. This makes sure that AI retains organizational knowledge just like a veteran human worker would. Operational intelligence absolutely requires this kind of persistent state management. Okay, Section 3. Orchestrating a digital civilization. Coordination at scale. Now, what's genuinely fascinating about this next layer is that these autonomous workers, they rarely operate alone. In a modern enterprise, we're talking about thousands of workflows happening simultaneously. You've got invoices, customer support, supply chain coordination, cybersecurity monitoring, the whole shebang. Future enterprises might literally contain thousands of specialized AI workers seamlessly plugged directly into these operational loops. And the work is heavily specialized among these systems. You might have one AI that strictly handles compliance validation, another doing deep data analysis, another coordinating cloud infrastructure, while yet another is constantly monitoring security telemetry. This creates one of the absolute biggest hidden engineering challenges in modern AI today: coordination at scale. To pull this off, you need task schedulers, memory routers, complex communication layers, and policy engines just to manage all these distinct roles. It's honestly like building a digital civilization of intelligent workers. Let's look at how this long-term execution plays out in practice. Say the objective is to reduce cloud infrastructure costs across a company's workloads. The AI worker doesn't just push a magic save money button. No, it has to deeply analyze the telemetry, then go retrieve the billing data, identify any weird anomalies, simulate a bunch of different optimization strategies, coordinate approvals with actual human managers, and then finally execute those changes. This requires a highly complex operational management workflow, which goes way beyond a simple single inference task. This is real operational management, not just traditional software execution. Which brings us to Section 4, resilience and observability when things go wrong. Because, look, here is the harsh reality. Autonomous systems fail constantly. APIs time out, reasoning drifts off course, workflows suddenly become inconsistent. Suppose an autonomous AI worker makes a totally bad decision due to one of these glitches. When you have AI deeply embedded in your enterprise execution, actively coordinating tools and modifying core infrastructure, a single error like this can be catastrophic. And the immediate question everyone asks is, well, why did it happen? Enterprises absolutely cannot trust systems they cannot inspect. Period. If you have an AI worker independently making critical decisions, you must be able to interrogate that system immediately the second things go sideways. And to answer that why, AI operations need incredibly advanced observability infrastructure. You have to ask, was the semantic retrieval incorrect? Did the episodic memory accidentally pull up stale information? Maybe the planning itself failed, or the policy routing broke down. Or, and this happens, did another agent in the ecosystem provide faulty context? To untangle all this, enterprises desperately need decision tracing, workflow lineage, and rigorous memory auditing just to maintain a safe level of oversight. And to actually bounce back from those inevitable failures, a robust safety net has to be built directly into the foundation of the system. Think of it kind of like aviation software. Without resilience mechanisms, things like rollback systems, retry orchestration, and validation agents, these autonomous systems are a massive liability. The future AI stack isn't just about raw smarts anymore. It increasingly resembles mission-critical, fail-safe infrastructure. Finally, Section 5. The AI Native Enterprise, a new organizational architecture. So how do all these technical pieces actually build into a complete structural transformation for a company? Well, just as human employees operate within governance structures, roles, policies, compliance boundaries, we have to build exact AI infrastructure equivalents. Job roles basically become identity management for AI workers. Compliance boundaries translate to hard-coded access permissions. And organizational policies, those are governed by strict policy engines to control which AI can access sensitive data, approve big transactions, or trigger specific high-stakes workflows. All of this brings us to a pretty profound shift in how we actually work. The future enterprise is likely going to operate through a highly coordinated ecosystem where human workers and AI workers collaborate side by side. We're not necessarily talking about a replacement here, but a partnership. Humans are going to provide the strategy, the judgment, the creativity, and the governance. Meanwhile, those autonomous AI workers, they'll handle the relentless, continuous operational execution. And that leads to a really fascinating realization from the source material. It states, the future AI race may not simply be about who builds the smartest model. It may be about who builds the most reliable, autonomous operational infrastructure. Because as the text makes perfectly clear, raw intelligence alone is simply insufficient. It's the operational coordination, the memory systems, the complex workflow engines, the tool ecosystems that actually creates scalable value for an enterprise. Which leaves us with this final, crucial question to think about. Is your enterprise ready to build the infrastructure for a digital workforce? Because this transition, moving from human-operated workflows to AI-operated workflows, is a fundamental architectural shift. That is the massive hidden challenge waiting for us just beneath the surface. I really hope this explainer has helped you see the true scale of what's coming next, moving way beyond the simple chatbot and stepping into the era of the autonomous enterprise. Thanks for joining me.